Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Caitlin here.
And Corey.
We are here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge for a little staycation. We're having so much fun. Currently we're sitting on our balcony, but we have a little life update.
Big update.
Yeah, so, oh, there goes the boat from Wilderness Lodge to Magic Kingdom. So we've definitely shared this news on Instagram. So if you follow Caitlin at the Castle on Instagram, you have seen this news. We've done several other like vlog trips, but we haven't officially broke this news on YouTube. So I just figured we would do a short, brief little video to announce that we're having a baby.
Having a baby. So we're having a baby girl.
Yes.
Yep.
And we are thrilled.
Yes. We couldn't be more excited. We love going to Disney as it is, and to bring a baby is going to be awesome.
Yeah, we cannot wait. So we are just over the moon to be parents, to welcome this little girl.
Yep.
And so if you watch our vlogs, a few from past trips and upcoming trips, you'll definitely see that little baby bump growing.
Yep.
And then soon enough, we'll have another little future pass holder.
Another star to the show.
Yeah, another star to the show, and we'll have a little Mouseketeer joining the castle.
Joining the castle with Caitlin.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching our vlogs.
Yep.
Thanks for your support and love. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more fun vlogs to come. We can't wait to share, and
we're just getting started.
We are just getting started. That is the update.
Yep.
That's what's going on in our life. So yes, thank you guys again, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.